A lot of students ask, in how many time frame I'll be complete all the 3 levels of CFA examination. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the quickest path that you can complete all 3 levels of CFA examination if you start your journey in 2023. Now, if you are giving the exam of CFA level 1 in Feb 2023, then you can complete all 3 levels assuming you've cleared the exam in first attempt in 12 months. How? Level 1 in Feb 2023, level 2 in August 2023, and level 3 in again Feb 2024. You should be able to complete everything in 12 months. If you're giving the examination in May 2023, then you will be able to complete, the fastest way to complete thing is 15 months. How come? Level 1 in May 2023, level 2 in November 2023, and level 3 in August 2024. It's going to be around 15 months. Okay. The longest time which is going to take for any candidate to complete all 3 levels, if he starts in August 2023, if he's giving level 1, so it is going to take around 18 months. How? August 2023 CFA level 1, then May 2024 CFA level 2, and Feb 2025 CFA level 3. If you are a student who is going for the examination for CFA level 1 in November 2023, then you can complete everything in 15 months. How come? November 2023 CFA level 1, then May 2024 CFA level 2, and Feb 2025 CFA level 3. Okay, so this is the quickest path if you start your journey for CFA in any of these months, and also the smallest time frame that you can achieve all the 3 levels if you start in Feb 2023, 12 months. The longest time frame if you start in August 2023, that's 18 months. I hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends who are preparing for the exam. And like and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you very much.